How to import contacts from Gmail to Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to import the contacts from Gmail to Android, first of all, launch any of your Gmail or services over here. I'm going to launch Play Store application. So tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen over here and simply select on Manage your Google account. As you tap on Manage your Google account, it will take us to a new page over here. Scroll and you can see the option of people and sharing, so tap on it. As you tap on people and sharing, here you can see the option of contacts, so just tap on contacts, and as you tap on contacts, it will show you all the contacts that you have on your Gmail. So if you would want to import the contacts from Gmail to your Android or over here, simply what you need to do is tap on this arrow up button over here, and this will help you export the contacts. So you can export as Google CSV or vCard for Android or iOS. Simply tap on export. So that's how you import contacts from Gmail to Android. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.